Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Achari Mark. Thanks for joining me and thank you so much for being part of this video this evening. And if you're new to this channel, this is the Kikuyu channel where we get to learn Kikuyu language or even Kikuyu culture. So feel free and take your time, get your cup of coffee, your cup of tea, your cup of water, or anything that you have around you. Now it's another evening where I have a new video for you guys. Today we're going to learn about how to use kind words in Kikuyu, or some of these kind words that we use in Kikuyu language. So make sure you are comfortable, and without wasting time, let's get started. The first word we are going to look at today is the word appreciate. Appreciate. How do I say appreciate in Kikuyu? Appreciate is gushokia gado. Gushokia gado. You can even say negado. Negado. Appreciate. Negado. Or if you say I appreciate. Negado. Negado. Now, the key thing here is goshokia gado, which translated to Kikuyu is goshokia gado. Goshokia gado is appreciate. Now, the second word we are going to look at is the word thank you. 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 Or you can say, some people do not say thank you, they say thanks or thanks. So it is called thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, which is thanks. Thank you. Thank you or thank you. Now, let's go ahead. The next word we look at is good job. Good job. If someone is doing something good, or you want to give credit to someone who is doing a good job, you say, good job. You are doing a good job. How do I say it in Kikuyu? Niweka wega. Niweka wega. Good job. Niweka wega. Or you can even say niweka wera mwega. Niweka wera. Wera is work or job. Wega. Niweka wera mwega. Niweka wera mwega. Good job. You've done a good job. Niweka wera mwega. You've done a good job. Or simply, good job. Niweka wega. Or niweka wera mwega. Good job. Good is always translated to wega or mwega. Good is wega or mwega. Now, the next word we are going to look at is best of regards, or some people say with regards. How do I say that? Negado muno. Negado muno. Negado muno. Best of regards, or negado with regards. With regards. Negado. Negado. Now, the other word we are going to look at here is thanks for your help. Thanks for your help. Nithegio nikudeithia. Nithegio nikudeithia. Thanks for your help. Thanks is simply thank you. Ni thank you, ni kodeithia. Thanks for your help. Help is goteithia. Goteithia is help. Thanks for your help. Thank you, ni kodeithia. Or ni thank you, ni kodeithia. Thanks for your help. Now, how do we say forgive me? Johera, forgive me. Johera, Johera, forgive me. Maybe you've done wrong or you've wronged somebody. Let's say you wronged your spouse, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, or your mom, your dad. You just want to say forgive me. Johera, Johera. Now, the other word we look at is be blessed. Be blessed. Radimo. Be blessed. Radimo. Radimo is blessing. Blessing. Be blessed. Radimo. Or you can even put it in a better or a more better way and say radimo mono. Be blessed. Radimo mono. Mono is like a lot. A lot. When you say blessings a lot or a lot of blessings. Radimo mono. Radimo mono. Radimo mono. Be blessed. Or radimo. Simple. As simple as that. Let's go ahead. The other thing or the other word we use is have a nice day. Have a nice day. Gia na muthenya mwega. Gia na muthenya mwega. Or you can even say tukigie na muthenya mwega. Tukigie na muthenya mwega. Muthenya is day. Mwega, we have already said, is something good or good. Dukigie na muthenya mwega. Dukigie na muthenya mwega. Gia na muthenya mwega. Have a nice day. Dukigie na muthenya mwega. Have a nice day. Gia na muthenya mwega. Now, the other one is when you say, for example, have a nice time. Mahida mega. Mahida mega. Mahida are times. We have different times. Times of happiness, times of sorrow. You know, times in the day. Mahida mega. Have a nice time. Mahida mega. Now, let's go ahead. The next word we're going to look at is be nice. Be nice. Korago we mundu mwega. Korago we mundu mwega. Be nice. Korago we mundu mwega. Korago we mundu mwega. Mundu is a person or somebody or someone. Modo, a human being. Now, be nice. Korago we modo mwega. If you want to tell someone, be nice, kindly, just be nice. Korago we modo mwega. Korago is that being, the act of being a nice person. Korago we modo mwega. Mwega, we have already said, is something good or nice. Now, let's go ahead. Be kind. How do I say that when I want to tell somebody or I want to request or kindly ask? Be kind. Koragwo we mudo witha. Koragwo we mudo witha. Koragwo is that act of being, just being something or being someone. You know, koragwo we modo witha. Modo is a human being, a person or someone or somebody. Be kind. Koragwo we modo witha. Witha. That is kindness. Kindness is the act of being kind is called kindness, and that is what we say. The koragwo we modo witha. Koragwo we modo witha. Now let's go ahead. The other word you're going to look at is when you give credit to someone and you tell them, great job, great job. How do you say that in Kikuyu? Neweka wega. Great job, great job. Thumbs up, great job, or you did a good job, or great job. Neweka wega. Neweka wega. Again, the word wega keeps repeating itself. And we have already mentioned, I've said it means good, nice, great. You know, it's associated with greatness or niceness or goodness. So you simply say, great job, niweka wega. Great job, niweka wega. Niweka wega. Wega. Good. Great. Let's go ahead. The other word we're gonna look here is, can I help you? This is not just a word, it's a sentence or a phrase. Can I help you? No gotebi. Can I help you? No gotebi. Goteibia is to help. Goteibia is to help. Can I help you? Can I help you? No goteibia. No goteibia. Maybe someone is stuck somewhere and you really want to help this kind of a person, or because you are a kind human being, you want to give some help. So you ask them, can I help you? No gotebi. That's how we say it. Simple. Now, let's go ahead. The next phrase we are going to look at is, do you need my help? Do you need my help? Again, you are this kind person. You are this good person. What this planet need, in these difficult times of corona and these turbulent times of corona, we really need good human beings. And you are this kind of a person. So you ask, do you need my help? Do you need my help? How do you say that in Kikuyu? Niura fatara uteithio wakwa. Niura fatara uteithio wakwa. Niura fatara, do you need uteithio, my help? Wakwa, my. Niura fatara uteithio wakwa. Do you need my help? Do you need my help? Niura fatara uteithio wakwa. Simple as that. Now, last but not least in this video today is, how do I help you? How do I help you? How do I help you? Igĩgũteithia atĩa? Ingĩgũteithia atĩa? Ingĩgũteithia atĩa? Ingĩgũteithia atĩa? How do I help you? You know, you are this kind person, the kind and those good people that we need in this world today. And you ask someone, do you need my help? Ingĩgũteithia atĩa? Ingĩgũteithia atĩa? Ingĩgũteithia atĩa? Atĩa? How do you need my help? Now, ladies and gentlemen, this brings me to the end of this video tonight. Thank you so much for being part of this channel. Thank you for taking your time and even for learning. I hope you are able to come along with me. I want to say a huge thank you to all new subscribers and even loyal subscribers to this Kikuyu channel. Thank you so much for your support, for your encouragement, and all those good comments. I want to appreciate again and again. Until we meet next time, stay safe wherever you are. Take good care of yourselves and have a nice weekend. Goodbye.